Wow, what a gorgeous little grassland ecosystem, huh? This right here is what's known as an oak meadow or oak woodland, characterized by these rolling hills with a variety of different grasses and wildflowers, dominated by a sparse canopy of Oregon white oak trees or Quercus garryana like this one here, supporting hundreds of species of plants with over 70 of those being at risk, 104 different species of birds, 33 mammals, 14 amphibians and reptiles, and over 800 species of insects. These are some of the most biodiverse ecosystems we have here in Cascadia. Now, they're named after the dominant tree here, Quercus garryana, which is the only species of oak native to this part of the world who love these really warm, dry, well-drained soils, and the understory here is comprised of a rich variety of shrubs such as nuke rose, snowberry, and ocean spray, as well as rich layers of sedges, herbs, and grasses, with Camas being one of the most prominent. Now, this diversity provides food and habitat to a wide range of species, from snakes to voles who thrive in these grassy areas more so than the surrounding forest, to birds who enjoy the open skies for hunting and foraging, to amphibians who rely on seasonal vernal ponds that form in the lowlands. Yet development and urban sprawl has transformed many of these areas into roadways, parking lots, neighborhoods, and towns, reducing them to less than 5% of their native range. With this urbanization comes other threats such as invasive species like Scotch broom or common vetch, as well as fire suppression. See, historically, these ecosystems were maintained by local First Nations who would do small prescribed burns to help maintain this diversity, and decades of fire suppression has led to the encroachment of conifers, which shifts the balance of light here and thus species richness. But through mindful development, controlling the spread of invasives, prescribed burns, and restoration efforts, we can work to increase the resilience and biodiversity of these few remaining ecosystems, because our future is much brighter with beauties like these around.